Be filled with joy, laughter, and beautiful moments. From all of us in Morrison Communications Limited, Wish 99.5 FM and Atlantic Television Network, we wish you a Merry Christmas full of amazing experiences. Cheers to a beautiful year end.
You are watching Atlantic Television Network Business. This is a network medium of bringing the happenings in the economic sector of society to the strata of society. Its delivery is accentuated through the various stock exchanges across the world. News about government economic activities, private sector business activities, laced game.
Forex
hit 2.9 trillion naira.
Cryptocurrency, Nigeria to develop CNGN stablecoin in 2024 report.
Economy 2023 was a tough year for businesses. NECA DG.
NISA, $350 million CVFF fund. Jomas asks ship pounders to synergize.
We'll be back with the details of this.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas season! Hooray! A time to make merry with loved ones, a time to give thanks, and a time to be a blessing. May your holiday season be filled with joy, laughter, and beautiful moments. From all of us in Morrison Communications Limited,
Welcome back to Atlantic Television Network Business. Now the details. Investors on the Nigerian Exchange Limited gained about 402 billion naira at the close of trading Thursday, signaling a rebound from the loss of 139 billion naira incurred in the previous trading session. The positive trend was driven by bullish sentiments leading to buying pressure in some stocks including MTN Nigeria. The all-share index advanced by 0.99% to 74,502,058 points to also year-to-date. Year-to-date gain off by 0.99% to close at 40.769 trillion naira. These are record highs for the ASI and market cap on the exchange. And Transcorp had 19.40 million units of its shares traded in 460 exchanges. Zenith Bank led in traded value at 1.6 billion naira, followed by MTN Nigeria with 792.51 million naira of its shares traded. Access Corp followed with 539.24 million naira worth of shares. United Bank for Africa was next with 367.411 million naira shares. And Guarantee Trust Holding Company PLC was the fifth in terms of traded value at 291.16 million.
The Naira falls to a low of $1,403.9 on the official investors and exporters foreign exchange window on Thursday. This represents a 19.54% decline from the 872.59 per dollar. It closed on Wednesday, according to the data from the FMDQ Security Exchange. This is the second time that the Naira has fallen below 1,000 on the official FX window since the Central Bank of Nigeria removed direct cap on the national currency. On December 8, the Naira falls to an all-time low of 1,099,500 per dollar on the ING window. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, it fell to the second time below 1,000 to 1,403 per $9. On Thursday, the official market began trading at 920 naira per dollar, hitting a high of 1,235.63 per dollar and a low of 720 per dollar before closing trading at 1,403 per $9. Total forex turnover was $883.63 million for the day, a 4.63% decline from the $127.93 million it was the previous day.
Is still insignificant when compared to the coins and notes in circulation. It said there was a substantial increase in the e-naira, which rose by 284.6% to 9.78 billion naira, although the ratio of e-naira to CIC at 0.37% remained insignificant compared with notes and coins, which accounted for 99.63%. Commenting on currency in circulation, the bank stated that this declined by 11.7% to 2.66 trillion naira in the month. It explained currency in circulation, however, declined by 11.7% to 2.66 trillion naira, which moderated the growth in the reserve money. There was a substantial increase in the e-naira, which rose by 284.6% to 9.78 billion naira. Although the ratio of e-naira to CIC at 0.37% remained insignificant compared with notes and coins, which accounted for 99.63%. The volume of notes and coins, however, declined by 14.0% to 2.65 trillion naira at end August 2023.
As capital flights triggered by the legal issues of foreign exchange, liquidity, and others, macroeconomic challenges continue to take toll on foreign transactions. Total domestic transactions on the bourse in 2023 hit 2.9 trillion, higher than 362.8 billion recorded by the foreign transaction in the same period. Total domestic transactions accounted for about 84% of the total. From 2007 to 2002, foreign transaction also falls by 38% from 616 billion to 379 billion in the same period. Further analysis of the total transactions executed between November and period months reverse, with total domestic transaction increased by 22.24% from 187.6 billion naira in October to 229.30 billion naira in October 2023. Reacting to the report, the president of the Ibadan Zone Shareholders Association of Nigeria, Eric Akinduro, said both local and foreign investors are existing Nigeria to establish businesses in the neighboring countries due to the nation's unfavorable business environment. The operating environment is not conducive for business, and investors, both domestic and foreign, are not charitable organizations. They are currently moving to a more viable economy so that they can maximize profits. Unless we restructure our economy, the issue of foreign exchange crisis in Nigeria will continue to constitute a distinctive to investment in Nigeria.
The retiring controller has, however, lamented the poor welfare of the staff of the correctional facilities, particularly as it relates to salaries, saying that what the officers receive currently does not reflect the biting economic situation of the country, as well as a 2-year ban on cryptocurrency trading through official channels. The new stablecoin CNGN is being developed by a consortium of Nigerian banks, fintechs, and blockchain businesses, and will be consistent with the regulations set by the stakeholders in controlled Naira stablecoin. The Nigerian Naira would be pegged 1-to-1 to CGN, but unlike previous stablecoin drafts,